Hello, art students. Miss Russ here to show you how to conquer the glue bottle. The glue bottle, it can be a little overwhelming. I mean, how do we not get too much? How do we not get too little? So let's dive in and take a look. So first off, how we're going to practice and learn to use the glue bottle is realize that Miss Russ likes to use a different kind of glue bottle. Look at that. She likes to use this kind because look, the cap is so easy to take off. Just give it a little twist and a pull, and then look at that. It comes with its own little stand. Can you see that? Its own little stand. I just put it right there, and poodoop, I have a cap in storage. Then I'm gonna get one of these little strips, and I am here to practice. And the way that we learn to practice is we have a special song. It goes like this. A dot, dot, dot is a lot, lot, lot. Ooh, let's have you try that. A dot, dot, dot is a lot, lot, lot. Perfect. Good job. Okay, so now that we know that a dot, dot, dot is a lot, 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 we're going to talk about gravity. Oh, our friend gravity. Watch this. When I take the glue bottle and I tilt it, you're going to watch. Look at that. Gravity, my friend, is going to cause the glue to move. Not my hand. Gravity is my friend. And I'm going to take that gravity friend over to my paper, and I'm going to wait for a little dot to come out. Look at that. Ta-da! A little dot. Now, sometimes your hand thinks it should help gravity. Oh, no, hand. You cannot help gravity. So practice. We're going to do 1. Gravity's our friend. Dot, dot, dot is a lot, lot, lot. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, sometimes our dots get little tails on them, but that's okay. You saw I just kind of picked it up and went. So I'm going to take the other side, I'm going to pull it over, and I'm going to push. Now we know I did this right if no glue comes out the sides and my paper stays stuck down. So let's check. Any glue seeping out? No. Any glue seeping out? No. Ta-da! I did it. But sometimes we have to try that again. So let's try. Gravity, my friend. Dot, dot, dot is a lot, lot, lot. No squeeze from my hand. I just wait for my friend gravity to make, oh, there he goes. And then once I get one dot, they kind of all come at once. 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to, and they're right in the center. Take my other side, fold it over, squeeze it down, and then check. Is it stuck together? Yep. Do I have glue seeping out the sides? Nope. Ta-da! That is how you conquer the glue bottle. Once you're done, you're going to untake the cap. You're going to put it back on top. And then you're going to make sure to store it back in the bin. Happy art making, students, and enjoy learning to conquer that glue bottle with a dot, dot, dot that's a lot, lot, lot. Bye, art students.